I am so excited about this indoor garden grow box. It's super cool because you can do vegetables on one side, fruits on the other. You can do flowers because you can change the different lights. It comes with everything you need to start your own indoor garden. It has a true 24-watt full spectrum LED lighting system. The grow light is displayed on a 16 or 8-hour timer. Simply select the vegetable or flower fruit light mode via buttons on the control panel. Enjoy the flexibility of 2 different LED lighting modes. Whether your plant needs more blue light for vegetable growth or red light for blooming, our system covers it all. It's got the adjustable light, just snaps on. It comes with the soil, it comes with plant food, support sticks if needed. How it works is you plug it in, you can control the light, you can control the color for vegetables or fruit. There's either a blue light or a red light. You can adjust the brightness, and then you can turn the water pump on and off. It's nice because this is adjustable. So if they're just newly sprouted, you can have it lower. If they're taller, you can lift it up. Right here is where you dump in the water and fill it up with water. The Hydroponic Growing System's water pump is super quiet, less than 20 dB. The LED light pole is detachable to prevent short circuits when cleaning indoor grow lights. And to plant them, you use these little pods. You put in the dirt, there's a hole. You can dump your seeds into the hole. And because these are fresh seeds, we're going to put a humidity dome on them. And because we want to block the light, we're going to use the light blocker with the humidity dome. And you can just slide them in, and there's water in the bottom, and the pump is going to turn on and it's going to water them. And then once they sprout, we can take the light blocker off. And once they get big enough, we'll take the humidity dome off, and they're just going to grow year round, which is so perfect. And I'm going to fill these all up with lettuce and tomatoes and strawberries and basil. And I've got my growing plant for year round. I am so excited to get fresh fruits and vegetables all year long that aren't going to be affected by the weather. We get snow here, rain, super hot days. It's not going to be affected. I get to have fresh fruits and vegetables and herbs all winter long. I am so excited to stay healthy and have fresh fruits and vegetables.